Today we want to talk about user-generated content. Okay, so what is user-generated content? This is a situation when a customer creates the content instead of the brand. Just like saying it, someone is writing a review about you. Okay, and why is this important? Most times, customers believe what other customers say about you than what you talk about yourself. That's the advantage of using user-generated content instead of you creating the content yourself. Okay, there are a lot of advantage in doing this, and there's a way you can do this and it will work well for you. Okay, and you need to create sometimes if you are going to use user-generated content, it helps to deepen relationships and also help you to get more reach. And remember, talking about reach, the limiting of that those are things that you need for you to excel in your Instagram marketing. Okay, so when customers create brand for you, as I said earlier on, it makes people to trust you, like you, and to even come over to do business with you because they believe that you're a little bit authentic, you're genuine. Okay, so how do we use user-generated content? Let's take some example. Let's go to this is GoPro. GoPro is one of the powerful guys on Instagram, and if you check their, they see that most time 1 million to be so great, but people write content for them. Okay, let me just give a introduction about GoPro. Let me just go back a little, and then let me scroll up there. If you check, see a lot of posts. Most of these posts you are seeing, they are not the one who actually made this post. Somebody make it for them, and they have over 20.6 million followers. Isn't that amazing? So that is it. And how many per day? They are just doing 306 people. That's what they are following. So everybody follow them. They are into camera stuff. Let me just take you into one of the posts and see that they are not actually the one who is making all these posts. Let's check this one. See it? It says GoPro #GoPro Hero 12 Black is the official camera of phone. And if you check who posted this Hero 12 Black is available, and it's not a powerful page. So it says #GoPro #Hyper Smooth #GoPro POV. So people post for GoPro. These guys, they post this thing. Sometimes from there people will come over and do work and post for GoPro and receive some kind of benefit as a result of that. Sometimes they run a show, people post for them and they pay them money. So this is how for most big brands, they don't even pay you to post for them. People come over to post for them, from there make their own name, and from there you can click there, it will link you to their own Instagram. So that is what big brand use. Let's take another one again. Let's look at Airbnb. Most of us know Airbnb. If you take Airbnb, they have about 5.4 million followers, right? And how many people are they following? Just 1,112 people they are following. And if you scroll down, you see that people also post for them. Let me just check one of them. Let's check one of these posts you are seeing that it is not posted by Airbnb. People post it for them. Okay, look at this. The ultimate commerce marathon awaits you and your friends at Monica's house now on #Airbnb. Who posts this? Silo Paulo from Brazil. You see it now? So people post for Airbnb, and that is how they also make their content. They have a lot of content, but people post for them. So this is one way that you can actually drive traffic or drive followers, drive leads to your Instagram, allowing people to post for you. Okay, but sometimes since you are just coming up, nobody would like to post for you. So how do you do it so that people can actually post for you and you can actually get something to brand? But let me tell you something. If you check here, it says that more consumer trust and rely on testimonies and review. You check that 92% of customers read online review before buying anything. That is a fact. While 90% of customers take positive testimonies and review increase their trust in a business. What they can do is that they want to check your review, don't check your testimony. So all these things work, and that is why allowing people to post for you draw more customers to you than you posting by yourself. So being a small business, someone that is just starting up, how do you not get this kind of people to come and post for you so that you too can actually get followers and trusted clients? Well, there are a lot of ways you can do this. One of them is to create a contest. Okay, create a contest. You tell that if you post for me and you give me the right to what you post, I'm going to give you a reward. You may say you may measure the reward of monetary, or maybe service you are rendering, you give them part of the service or part of the training for free. Anything you think that can entice people. So first create a contest, match the contest to your audience, then ask for the right of their content. So by the time they post it, you have a right to use it to market yourself, okay? And offer a reward to your audience in return. Once you're able to do this, those are ways that you can actually get people to post for you, because people like to post for you because they know that they're going to get a reward. Let me show you an example of those who are actually using this and killing it in this method. Let's still continue on our Instagram search. Look at this one. What is the name? Barbadogs. Yeah, Barbadogs. Barbadogs UK. Barbadogs, you see it. So what do they do? They will tell you, let me see. See this what guys say. This is a water brand dog. Say thank you so much at Bardog. This. And UK is always great fun to unpack the mystery box. And what is that mystery box? Is a way that when you post for Barbadogs, they give you a mystery box. Sometimes that they'll give you your feeding for your dog. So through that way, people actually post for them so that they can get those advantages, those benefits. Okay, so this is what you too can emulate. You can do the same thing, allow people to post for you, while in turn you give them something as a reward. And when you do that, people will be glad to post for you, and you can, at the end of the day, get the content they are looking for and get a lot of followers that you are actually looking for. So this is how all these things works. Okay, this is how all these things works. So what have we said so far? That most times you want to use user-generated content to get more content for you. Like that bad dog I just mentioned, if you check here, it say like every month you can enter our monthly competition by uploading a photo or video of your dog with the hashtag #Barbadogs, and you could win a month's worth of natural food tailored to your furry friend's needs. That's your dog needs. Totally free. Good luck, champions. You see it? So this is what they put right there on their own bio. Okay? So based on that, when people come over here, they look at what they promise, they give them, and they will go find all this. And look at how they always try to fulfill their promise. You want to go where they fulfill their promise? They will give you your dog the food for free. So this is how you can actually get people to create content for you, most especially if you are a small brand. But the more you grow and become a bigger brand, then you may try to bring in some quality controls. For example, many people tag you. They will be tagging you here and there because we are using, as they are posting, they are tagging you. So you can actually ensure that you reduce the tag by going to your settings and then go to privacy, and then they go to post, and then make it that you have to have a right to edit any post that you're tagging. Okay? Now when we get that also sure you can achieve that goal. So this is just what it is about user-generated content. If you are confused, don't worry. We are still going to learn a lot about this. We are just starting it. You get to understand these things and practice along them and make your brand to be big. Okay, that is the goal. You want to get enough followers on Instagram, and I will help you to get enough reach on Instagram. So you know that everybody's talking about hashtag. If you check here, @Barbadogs, #Barbadogs, #this, #that. What is the use of hashtag? What are the advantages? In our next class, we deal with hashtags and how to use it. See you in that class. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if I'm making sense to you. If this is what you like, subscribe to my channel, share it, comment, ask questions so I can be able to know what to do. And please, I believe in critics, so long as it's a positive one. Tell me where I'm not doing well so I can improve on it. See you in our next class, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button right now. See you there.